What if I told you that what we're going to do is that we are going to create from memory a thing or object in the natural world that is already known to exist, and that you are going to don the trappings of that thing, and that you are going to become it analogically for the sake of experience? What if I told you it was entirely possible to become a flower, to become a bird, to become a tree, to become a rock? What if I told you it was entirely possible to be a butterfly? Anything other than you. What do you think about that? My point is that what greater way to expand your dimensions than to expand your dimensions? And to expand them through the possibility of memory. You accept it, I'll just teach you how to be it. We're going to work towards it to envelop it analogically, so that you are so the thing that you become, that you are no longer yourself, and forevermore will have an affinity and a closeness to that thing, can share its language. Would you like that?